Hey folks, I'm Dr. Phil and I'm an expert on blowing stuff up.
Hey, I'm Cody Reed and I'm the safety officer of this operation.
Hi, I'm Scientist Tominski and I'm an expert in demolition.
I'm Dr. The Gun. We're going to blow some shit up today.
And today we're going to teach you how to make nitroglycerin. Right here we got our mixing pot, and generally it's made out of lead or iron, and this is where the final mixture will be created here.
Okay, I got here one of our reactants to make our nitroglycerin, and it is sulfuric acid.
This is nitric acid. It will also be needed in the mixture.
This is glycerin. It is the last ingredient needed for the mixture. It causes the exothermic reaction, so you're going to have to cool it with cold water.
Alright, hello everybody. We're going to start the first step in making nitroglycerin. So we've got our sulfuric acid here, and
We've got our nitric acid right here.
we mix these in a 1-to-1 ratio, starting with a little hit of sulfuric acid,
A little hit of nitric acid.
and then another little hit of sulfuric acid,
Another little hit of nitric acid.
and finally the last hit of sulfuric acid.
And of course the last hit of nitric acid.
And that is the first step in making nitroglycerin.
This is glycerin. I'm going to add it to this, drop by drop.
We do this because it gives off a great amount of heat, and we need to cool it before it explodes.
Everybody, I'm Scientist Tominski, and I'm going to show you what to do if your nitroglycerin mixture starts to overheat. It is a process called drowning. So say you're getting too much heat, all you do is drown it in some water, and then that will cool your reaction enough and you are safe.
Hey folks, I'm Dr. Sheldon Cooper, and I'm here today to give you a brief history on nitroglycerin. So nitroglycerin was invented by Philip Noble back in the 1800s, and one of its first uses was dynamite, which played a big role in World War I. And the inventor actually killed his brother, fun fact, and it is still used for many purposes today, such as demolition, industrial, and mining. Thank you very much. I'll pass it on to my colleague here, Doctor.
Doctor. I'm Cody Reed from the medical community of Harvard. And nitroglycerin can also be used to treat people with coronary artery disease, and also known as chest pain or angina. Okay, I'm going to show you the demonstration of nitroglycerin, an experiment explosion. Take one. I can't see anything.
Take 3.
I can't see shit.
Take 4. Explosions of nitroglycerin. Thank you, folks.
The hockey game the other day, buddy?
Oh boy, did I ever!
The game sucked.
Oh, hey there, folks. I'm Dr. Phil, and also known as Sheldon Cooper here, and
I am Scientist Tominski.
I'm Cody Reed with a serious medical history in Harvard.
And today we just gave you a brief overview of nitroglycerin. Hope you found it useful.
Yeah, if you remember, we showed you all the ingredients. We had our sulfuric acid, our nitric acid, and our glycerin, and we added that all together to make nitroglycerin.
We also showed you how to drown the substance in case it gets too hot, and we also showed you a history of nitroglycerin.
And finally, we just gave you showed you a few examples of reactions that may occur from nitroglycerin. Hope you enjoyed our video. Hope you learned lots, and subscribe to our YouTube video, Science Nation.
Science Nation.
Slap Harvard.
See you there.
And
Subscribe.
have a great day.
Adios.